Hello everyone. So I just posted a very simple DIY on the channel, and of course I haven't been to Dollarama in forever, but somebody posted these beautiful sweater mugs on my Facebook group and I was like, oh my gosh, I have to go into Dollarama. So I went in really quickly. I didn't have a lot of time, but I thought I'd share with you what I found. I didn't see the sweater mugs, so I came home without those, but I did spend some money on some other things. So I'll share with you really quick what it was. My daughter needed a little gym bag. She had been asking if she could have a little stringed gym bag. So I said, no problem. And I let her pick one out from the aisle where they have the little bags. And this one here, things with Dollar Tree now is, Dollarama is they don't have things labeled. So this one here is the LOL surprise bag, which was $3. I think that's a little bit pricey. But you know what? She's such a super good girl. So every once in a while when she asks me for something, I'm just like, okay, that's fine. It is LOLs, which are super popular. She has an LOL mansion and all the little LOL dolls. She still likes them. So I'm happy to buy her a little LOL surprise bag. And then she had asked if we could get one of these for Bear. So I said, no problem. This one here is $2. They did have a little red and a little green. She was kind of inclined towards the red, but then I said, oh, the green is so much fun and it's cute, Christmassy color. So she said, sure, Mom, we'll get the green one. He does have a cute face. I love that it's knitted. Bear, this probably will not last very long, but Bear loves things that have he's actually pretty amazing. I have to tell you, when we first rescued him, he was about this big. And the lady who was taking care of him, which is actually a friend of mine from Manitoba, because I'm in Ontario, he flew on 2 airplanes to get to us. Super lucky little guy. He's lucky he's cute because his personality is quite a grouchy old man and quite a bully. But he had this tiny, I think it's like a little wiener dog. I'll try to film it with him playing with it. He came with it and it's like this tiny little brown thing. And he's so gentle with it. It's like he knows that precious little toy came with him in his tiny little crate when he was flying here. And he is so good with it. He hasn't taken it apart. It's quite delicate and it has a little bit of stuffing. And such a good boy with it. Then he's come across balls. The Geechee ball, for example, he's like chewed it all up and it's something tougher, and other stuffier things he's not super aggressive, but eventually when he pokes a hole in it and he sees that there's stuffing, he'll take it all apart. His little tiny little doggy, he has a little hole in it and you can see some stuffing out. Does he even take that guy apart? Not at all. It's so precious to him, and it's so interesting to see the dynamic that he has with this toy. It is such, and it only comes out once in a while, and he comes and he shows it to me, and then he's like, see, look, my toy, and then he puts it down. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. So anyways, we will see. I bought him the little moose from Dollar Tree last year. Really cute. I had a little scarf, a buffalo scarf, and little antlers. That thing didn't last more than 5 days. I don't know, maybe the construction of it wasn't very good quality to begin with. Anyways, once he noticed he could take it apart, he just took it apart. So we'll see how long this lasts, but it's so darn cute. These little legs remind me of the way his little doggy toy is, so I think he might be careful. We'll see how that goes. That was $2. That's the plush elves, and again they had the red and the green. I have to say, this was probably one of the best finds I have found at Dollarama in a lot. I mean, I find some really awesome things, but I have to say this is an amazing find. It's the Cascade automatic dishwashing detergent in powder form. I haven't used powder in a long time, but I remember when I was using powder, I always do prefer powder over the pucks, but for some reason you kind of start seeing what Costco has and what's on sale there, and then you buy what's least expensive, right? Data rate supply. I don't know what that means. Okay, so this is 2.12 kilograms, 4.68 pounds. And the dishwasher powder detergent was $3.50. I have never, almost 5 pounds worth of dishwasher detergent, have ever paid less than, $5 or $6, even with on sale and a coupon. So, I mean, it has been a long time since I've bought the powder, but this is a great deal. I don't know what 7 to 80 means. I mean, I can't imagine that would be 7 to 80 washes, because you're going to have, it doesn't tell you how many washes. I'm going to assume you're going to have a good couple months out of this. Like I said, I haven't used powder concentrate in a very, very long time. And I'm really surprised to actually find it. And then I got the Cascade. This one was $4. So I'm like looking at the receipt, just because there's no sticker. This is phosphate free, and there were 2 scents. This one here has the Dawn citrus breeze scent, and then they had a different scent. My daughter picked this one. She said she liked the smell better, and it does. It smells kind of more like a lemony fresh smell. Yeah, kind of like orangey lemony. I'm not really sure. Again, it's a citrus, and then there was a different one. And this one here is 2.12 kilograms. Again, 4.68 pounds. If you want 1.7 liters. Tougher, and it's 8 times Cascade Complete, and this one again was $4. Again, I think this is great. A lot of people are moving away from the liquid and from the powders, and you know, the pucks are being the primary sales target at the stores, so I think that's why Dollarama had them. But I'm happy to use them. I always used powder, then I moved to liquid, and I would only do liquid. Very, very recently did I transition over to the pucks, and that's because Costco has the pucks and they go on sale, and I look at the value for my money, so I ended up doing that. But this here is way better value, I think, than even the Costco finds that I do get. I purchased this for a friend who's having a little baby. This is Dwell Studio. This is actually a brand name. It is not a Dollarama brand. It's a receiving blanket, and so it has 2 sides. It looks like it's a really nice quality. I don't want to open it because it's sealed nice and with the little plastic. This is something you would probably find at Target or yeah, like, I guess I can't really say, maybe like Sears and stuff like that. I will look up the product on Google, but it's not typically carried at Dollarama, so it won't say Dollarama. It doesn't have a Dollarama sticker. It's the 30 by 40 inch receiving blankets. There's the front and the back print. They are having a little boy, so I'm going to put that. And I bought them a thermometer from Costco, the Braun, I think is called, thermometer. That was probably the best gift I ever received for my first baby shower. Till this day, I still use it. It's the ear thermometer to check your baby, and then as they grow older, and to check them even till this day, and even us. And the one at Costco has like the whole extra kit for all the little earplug thingies that go on top of it, so you can change it when you're putting it in every time you check your temperature. And that's probably my favorite, most used gift. I travel with it every time we go away. I bring it with me, so I'm hoping that something like that will be used for a long time. And then I thought it would be nice to give them something that they could use as well right now, which would be like a blanket. And I'll try to find something else to put in with it, but maybe toiletries or something more simple that they can use as well, and that isn't holding space in their home. So we'll see how that what I find, but I think that this receiving blanket is absolutely beautiful. And there was one that was opened at the store, so you could feel it. It was quite thick. It's a nice blanket, and you can see the stitching is, anyways, I'm going on about a blanket, but I mean, this is a fantastic find at Dollarama. And then you can see here the stitching is really nicely done. So yeah, there's that. These are one of my favorite cleansing wipes. I don't know if that's coming through on the screen. I love having these in the car. They're $1.25 for only 25, but the little cloths inside, they open up nice and wide. I actually use them in my craft room too. There's usually a pack on my craft cart. They stay wet for a very long time. I've had them in the car through the summer, and that's typically when things dry out. They've stayed wet. They're a nice thick material. I've even dusted my car sometimes when you're just sitting waiting or something. I've taken it and I've cleaned the car up. They work really, really nicely, and one of my favorite finds compared to the Dollar Tree ones. There are some that are really great at Dollar Tree, but I find they dry out a little bit faster. The quality of the disposable napkin is not it's not nice and sturdy, and it almost it feels like it's falling apart. So I'm a little bit more particular about my disposables, and that's one of them that I really enjoy having. Another great find, you can never go wrong with toilet bowl brushes. So this here is $4 each. They are made by the Scrubbing Bubbles brand here, as you can see. Now the thing is, I'm not sure what the quality of the brush is going to be like, but this is ceramic, which is what I absolutely love because it's easy to clean and disinfect. It's not plastic. I was like, what? So my stainless steel ones over the years that I've even bought at HomeSense for $19 to $25, which is absolutely crazy. They've rusted, which bugs me, so I have to throw them in the garbage. Then I started buying like other Dollarama ones made by Velita. They're okay, but the brush has like this pointy tip thing that I actually don't really like the way it goes into my toilet bowls when I'm cleaning. So I prefer a standard brush. And then I also use pumice stones and all that stuff, which I've talked about. Let me see what the brush is like. I mean, I can only really tell once it goes into the toilet bowl if it'll do a good job and if it cleans, but it feels like, you know, pretty good quality, not cheapy brush. And that's the inside there. Isn't this fantastic? So nice and easy to clean. It does have two little holes here, but nothing should leak through the top. So that will be just a, you know, just so it's not so heavy, I guess. And how they have to mold it. And there you go. And now I have two nice brand new little, and I'm sure that this can be replaced. Yeah, and I probably can buy new brushes here and there when I need them and still continue, or even just the full brush, and then just continue to use this ceramic bowl. I absolutely love that I can wash these and bleach them and disinfect them, and they won't stain because the plastic just, we live on well water, so we get kind of like that discolored orange stuff going on sometimes. So I'm a little bit specific about my toilet, the way my toilets are cleaned. All right. My haul was really, really small, so I just thought I'd share with you quickly some Dollarama finds that are more towards seasonal. Village accessories are this little one here is $1.25. It's got the little bench, and the little light post is what actually got me. I love it. Oh, these are $1.50. Did I say that, or $1.25? So they're $1.50. No, this one was $1.25. I'm sorry. And this one was $1.50. I think the prices have changed. So this one is super cute because it's like the little topiaries or so topiary. I don't even know if I'm saying it right. And then there's like the little lamp. So there's that, and then I got some more of those styrofoam balls. I actually bought these for a craft to do with the kids in case they're, not my son because he won't sit down and do crafts, but my daughter and some friends, they might want to do something, so I got that for them. I also got this. I thought this was really pretty to wrap with, mix it in with the ribbon that I got from Dollar Tree. So this is $1 for luxury gift wrap. It is an elastic wrap, and it's 3 kinds. I just undid it to show you, but there's silver, red, and gold. I think it's not a bad, I mean, it's not a ton of quantity here, but it's not bad. It's 10 meters, 32.8 inches in length. Also found these, thought they were super cute. They were $1.50 for 2 pieces. They're fillable ornaments. I love these because at Walmart they carry them, but they already come with like chapsticks and bath bombs. And I just thought this would be super fun to make if my daughter wants to gift like a cute bath bomb and something else to a friend to put with a little gift. I did get some of the Poopsie Slime surprise kits to for her if she's gifting or doing a little secret exchange with her friends. So I thought maybe she could do a little bonus, even put maybe a chapstick from the Dollar Tree or stuff like a pair of socks rolled up nice and tight. And it even comes with twine, although I don't need it, but it comes with one little piece of string of twine so you can attach it. So I think that's a really cute and thoughtful part of like a little Christmas gift. And you can't beat the price really. And then I got these little luxury gift wrap tags for $1.50. Oh, pocket letters are calling me. My craft room is calling me to do paper crafts. I am really craving to do that. My heart is really ready to craft something with paper. It's just the time. I have not had the time. I haven't been to Dollar Tree in a whole week. I know it sounds like, you know, I'm whining, but really it's like that's my other thing that I love to do when I have a little bit of downtime is I sneak out to the Dollar Tree and I wander for 45 minutes in the aisles. I haven't had a chance to do that. I'm really missing it. All my free time is going towards, you know, decorating the house for Christmas, getting the house in order for Christmas. Work is crazy. Volunteer work is crazy, so it's just I have not had a chance and I miss it. But paper crafts are still calling me, and this has such a vintage feel that I really need to make a vintage card. Now, paper crafts, pocket letter. Now, you know me, if you've seen some of my previous videos, I will manipulate things where I'll just move the to and from, and you can just kind of cut it out or put other embellishments or other paper crafts or other 3D dimensions and decals on top so that you can still use the stickers. So anyways, this was $1.50. There are only 18 pieces here, but I just love the feel of this vintage theme. Anyways, that's, I think, my haul for today for Dollarama. I hope you guys enjoyed sitting with me for a few minutes. I always love sharing my finds with you guys. I hope you enjoyed them too. Is there an aisle that's like your favorite in the store that you'd like me to kind of pay attention closer to? Because we all have our own little like favorites in the store. My favorite, obviously you can probably tell, is the craft aisle. I don't even normally go too much towards the kitchen aisle, but because I was with my daughter and we were in a different Dollarama, I had gone to the grocery store to get some things, and then I said, let's sneak into Dollarama quick to see if they had some of those sweater mugs. Whoops. And when we went in, it wasn't actually my local, like my regular one. I should say my regular, it's local, but not my regular go-to one. So I kind of was a little bit disoriented and ended up going down the kitchen aisle. And when I was going down the kitchenware stuff, I was like, oh my gosh, Cascade and toilet bowl brushes. So that's how I found these. Otherwise, I probably wouldn't have come home with them. But anyways, until next time, everyone, I hope you all have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.
What a feeling, now it's time for Christmas. And Christmas is my favorite time of year. It's beginning to look like all my wishes